I'm Casey Angel, Director of Communications for the Raleigh Regional Association of Realtors. With some very, very exciting news, we have a brand new redeveloped website just for you, our members, at rrar.com. We're going to dive into some of the functionality of this website right here so you can get an experience with it and really make the most of your membership and so many of the opportunities it affords you. So, as you can see, we have our top-down screen, we have our navigation up here that we're able to scroll through, quick links, calendar, news and reports, and so much more. But one of the first things I wanted to focus on is our member login right here on the right-hand corner. You can also utilize all of this here with the member login as well. So I'm going to type in right here and put in my information to log into the dashboard and the website. And if you click over here with my dashboard, it will bring it up into a full screen. And as you can see, I have a personalized portal for myself. It has my name, my information, those things that are available to me, as well as my professional affiliations with the Realtors Association, as well as the Triangle MLS Multiple Listing Service, and so much more. So one of the things I wanted to walk everybody through today is looking for classes, being able to log in, being able to cancel those classes, and being able to set up payment options for the particular classes that may cost money in your membership. So as you can see, there is another widget here for your dashboard, member directory, calendar, classes. Calendar is the one we're going to focus on right now. And as you can see, we are still inside the Raleigh Regional Association of Realtors official website. All of the security is still there. However, the dashboard has been personalized for you. So I am currently have the affiliation of RRAR as well as TMLS. So this will auto-populate based on my affiliations. So as you can see, there's everything from Realist Training, Century Lock Essentials, and Paragon that would be under the TMLS guides, as well as RRAR only classes such as a Lunch and Learn or a new member orientation. So I'm going to walk you through actually signing up for one of these RRAR classes. Let's utilize the Lunch and Learn social media here on July 11th. We're going to click on this, and once again, we're still located within the RRAR website itself. Here's the information, location, cancellation policy, and registration details. So as we register for this class, attendee registration. So here's the Lunch and Learn social media. We're going to click on it to register. It will bring up my information. Once again, this is the free class charge code. List price is 0. We're going to continue with registration. That is me. Here's my order balance, and I'll submit registration. This is the last chance to check it. Continue registration. And it will pop up with your meeting registration confirmation and receipt of payment. This will also automatically send you an email with all of this information if you need to print it later, or you can simply click print, or if you're on a Mac, you can download it to your iCalendar here. Now that we've done that, we can go back to our dashboard, and this will bring you back to the initial screen that we saw before. Now that we've set up a meeting, we're actually going in here to My Meetings. There's our social media and Lunch and Learn that we just signed up for, the fact that I am registered, and we can always go to details. Say that you've signed up for a class in a meeting and you do not wish to continue, click Edit, and this will bring you up to our cancellation policy. You can either edit your registration or you can cancel your registration. I'll go into cancel. Again, here's all of the information for the class, and you can once again click Submit Cancellation. So I've canceled, and here's the receipt if you need to print it. It has easy one-click buttons for each one of those processes. Now, we're going to go through another part of it where some of the classes, some of the professional development courses, education, will actually cost money when you're utilizing it. Or if you'd like to pay your member dues or your TMLS fees, you can also do this in your dashboard. Here is your Update Member Profile widget. This is one of the most important ones, so if you need to change your mailing address, your email preferences, your name, anything else in between, we're going to click Update Your Member Profile. Update Your Member Profile will bring up sections that include Main, this is your general information, home address, mailing address, personal information, communications preferences, auto billing, and on and on. However, we're going to go to payment information because this is one of the things that everybody's going to be able to utilize the most. Create your card type, create your security code, insert your card number, expiration date, last name, just like you're making purchases online, And this right here, save this card to my profile, will enable one-click purchasing, one-click signups moving forward for all of your professional development, all of your member dues, and anything else that you need to sign up that's actually going to charge. This is how we're able to update our profile and continue to create a personalized member dashboard experience. Now, inside of the dashboard, you can sign in or sign out, and you always have this following you to make sure that you're there, or if we'd like to get rid of it, you can always exit out of it as well. Now, back to rrar.com, there's a lot of things that you're able to get involved with. However, we want to make sure that everyone is able to get in touch with our staff, with our directories. In the About, we have our staff directory homepage, and then under Connect with Us, you can sign up for e-news. We have a news widget as well as our social media channels. So any kind of feedback that you have for this website or any of the additional redevelopment that we have moving forward, please reach out to us. Please, please, please send us emails, calls, however we can be of assistance, let us know. Now, the last thing that I wanted to go over was the actual mobile optimization and functionality of the website. One of the things that we continued to hear from the old website was that it needed to be more mobile friendly. So whether you're at work and you're in an office building utilizing your laptop or your desktop, this is what it will look like. However, if you continue to move forward and you're able to see it on a mobile screen, this is what it will look forward to as it optimizes in mobile. And you're able to see it on a completely optimized mobile experience, so you can go through and use all the same functionality when you are on the go. For smartphones and for everything else, your dashboard is still literally right there at the tip of your fingers. So if you have any questions, reach out to us. Check out the new rrar.com and so much more. We look forward to having you, and we thank you so much for your membership and the opportunity to serve you.